This tutorial will show you how to register and list player transfers with the Soccer Engine plugin for WordPress. To register a player transfer, proceed as follows. Select the player involved in the transfer. Select the transfer type. Examples of transfer types are regular transfer, loan, free transfer. Note that you can define your custom transfer types from a dedicated plugin menu. Select the team left by the player. Select the team joined by the player. Set the date of the transfer. Enter the fee of the transfer. Click the Add Transfer button to save the transfer. You can now list the registered transfers in the front end by using the Transfers block. Thanks to the options available in the Settings sidebar, you can display, for instance, only the transfers that took place in a specific period, the transfers associated with a particular team, the transfers related to a particular player, and more. The generated list of player transfers is now available in the front end. It includes the player name, the player's citizenship, the teams involved in the transfer, the date of the transfer, the player's market value, the fee paid to complete the transfer, and other additional columns. Congratulations, you now know how to register and list player transfers with the Soccer Engine plugin for WordPress.